Hi everyone, I'm Doc Ken and welcome to Chapter 5 of Biological Science entitled Introduction to Organ System. First, let's talk about organ system. Every animal and human being carry on a variety of essential functions like growth, maintenance, and reproduction. In the various groups of living things from highest to lowest, there is a progressive increase in a body complexity to carry out these functions. An organ system is a group of organs that work together as a biological system to perform a certain function in an organism's body. A series of organ systems has evolved to serve various needs. The body is made up of many millions of cells which you cannot see unless you use a microscope. Special cells come together to make up an organ. An organ is a complex structure within the body. It has a special job or jobs to do. A body system consists of a number of organs which work together to carry out a special job. The animal body is made up of 10 organs. What are those? Integumentary system, muscular system, skeletal system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproductive system, excretory system, nervous system, and lastly we have endocrine system. First, let's talk about circulatory system. Circulatory system is also known as cardiovascular system. And this organ system includes the heart, blood, and three types of blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries. The heart pumps blood which travels through the blood vessels. The main function of cardiovascular system is to transport materials throughout the entire body, such as oxygenated blood from the lungs and nutrients from the digestive system are transported to cells throughout the body. Next, let's talk about digestive system. The digestive system consists of several main organs including mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestines that form a long tube called the gastrointestinal tract. Food moves through this tract where it is digested. Its nutrients are then absorbed and its waste products are excreted. The digestive system also includes accessory organs such as the pancreas and liver that produce enzymes and other substances needed for digestion, but through which food does not actually pass. These organ systems breaks down and absorb nutrients that the body can use as energy. Next in line, urinary system, also known as excretory system, which removes wastes from the body. The urinary system includes the pair of kidneys which filter excess water and waste product called urea from the blood and form urine. Two tubes called ureters carry the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder which stores the urine until it is excreted from the body through another tube called the urethra. The kidneys also produce an enzyme called renin and a variety of hormones. It is responsible for the removal of waste products from the body in the form of urine. Let's now proceed to skeletal system. The skeletal system consists of bones, joints, teeth. The bones of skeletal system are connected by tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Functions of skeletal system include supporting the body and giving it shape. Along with the muscular system, the skeletal system enables the body to move. The bones of skeletal system also protect internal organs, store calcium, and produce red and white blood cells. Let's now proceed to muscular system. Muscular system consists of three different types of muscles, including skeletal muscles, which are attached to bones by tendons and allow for voluntary movements of the body. Smooth muscle tissues control the involuntary movements of internal organs, such as the organs of digestive system, allowing food to move through the system. And lastly, cardiac muscle tissues control the involuntary beating of the heart, allowing it to pump through the blood vessels of the cardiovascular system. Next on the list, nervous system. The nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord. It controls the body system, which regulates and coordinates the exchange in the body external and internal environment. This make up the central nervous system and the nerves that run out through the rest of the body, making up the peripheral nervous system. The nervous system controls both voluntary and involuntary responses of human organism and also detects responses and processes sensory information. Let's now move on to the reproductive system. The reproductive system is the only body system that differs substantially between males and females. Both male and female reproductive systems produce sex-specific sex hormones, testosterone in males and estrogen in females, and gametes, sperm in male and egg in female. However, the organs involved in these processes are different. The male reproductive system includes the epididymis, testes, and penis. The female reproductive system includes the uterus, ovaries, and mammary glands. The male and female systems also have different additional roles. For example, the male system has the role of delivering gametes to the female reproductive tract, whereas the female system has the role of supporting an embryo and fetus until birth and also producing milk for the infant after birth. Next on the list, respiratory system. Organs and other structures of the respiratory system include the nasal passages, lungs, and a lung tube called the trachea, which carries air between the nasal passages and lungs. The main function of the respiratory system is to deliver oxygen to the blood and remove carbon dioxide from the body. Gases are exchanged between the lungs and blood across the walls of capillaries lining tiny air sacs called alveoli in the lungs. Let's now proceed to the endocrine system. This system is made up of glands that secretes hormones into the blood, which then carries hormones throughout the body. Endocrine hormones are chemical messengers that control many body functions, including metabolism, growth, and sexual development. The master gland of the endocrine system is the pituitary gland, which produces hormones that control other endocrine glands. Some of the other endocrine glands include the pancreas, thyroid gland, and adrenal glands. And lastly, integumentary system. Organs of the integumentary system include the skin, hair, and nails. The skin is the largest organ in the body. It encloses and protects the body, and it is the site of many sensory receptors. The skin is the body's first defense against pathogens, and it also helps regulate body temperature and eliminate waste in sweat. This system serves as protection against injury, fluid loss, and infection. It is also the largest organ system that regulates temperature and additionally provides vitamin D synthesis. To summarize the organ system, integumental system for protection from the environment, muscular system for movement, skeletal system for support and protection of the body, digestive system for reception and preparation of food, also digestion of waste, respiratory system for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, circulatory system to transport materials, reproductive system for production of new individual, excretory system for disposal of organic wastes and excess fluid, nervous system for both regulation of internal processes and adjustment of exterior environment.